mooi aan laat hy maar. Laat hy sy ding doen.
Ja. Dan kom maar in deur.
And here it comes.
Right?
Almost. Jy kan hom aantrek. Okay, then down. If you like our t-shirts, the logo, give us a thumbs up. Tell us what you think. Are there improvements we should be making, or are you happy with it? Okay, it's down on the ground, and we are officially basically done. The job is a success. I'm very happy. The client's ecstatic. And don't forget, if you need us, we're just a call away. Don't worry, don't stress. We've got you covered. Just phone. Ciao.